Hello everyone, welcome. Today we'll discuss topic of nursery raisings. Myself, Professor Wayar Kadam, Department of Horticulture, KK College of Agriculture, Nasik. First of all, introduction. What about nursery? Nursery is a place where plants are cultivated and grown to usable size. Nursery techniques involve raising seedlings, sapling, and grafting grafts economically useful and ornamental plants through scientific methods. Several new techniques are available which are cheap and effective. These new techniques are useful in increasing success rate of graft and rooting of cutting, increasing seedling vigors, reducing transplanting, reducing transplanting shocks, and generally reducing the quantum quantum of manual work. The nursery managed gain a status of a commercial venture where retail nurseries sell plants material to general public and nurseries which sell only to other nursery and to commercial landscape garden and private nursery which supply the need of institution of uh, private estates. First of all, selection of site for establishment of nursery. The nursery site for nursery should be selected such a place where abundant sunshine and proper ventilation is available. Nursery nursery site should be on higher location so that the water stagnation is avoidable in humidity or rain prone areas. Nursery place should be well protected from heavy rains through protected structures. Thus, site should be nearest to irrigation facility and accessible. It should be protected from uh, animals, snails, rats, etc. Soil should be sandy loam or loamy with pH range 6 to 7 and rich in organic matter and free from different pests, diseases and pathogens. Necessity of nursery. Nursery is a necessity for every horticultural grower. The development of seedling in nursery is not only reduce the crop span but also increase the uniformity of the crop and thus harvesting as compared to direct sown crop. Transplanting of seedling are also eliminated the needs of thinnings and providing good opportunity for virus-free vigorous off-season nursery. If growing under protected condition, the nursery is a helpful and convenience to manage seedling under small area and grow can grower can get timely plant protection measure are within minimal effort. Development of nursery should favorable climate to emergence plant for their better growth and development. The effective utilization of unfavorable periods by preparing nursery under protected conditions. Incentive cares seedling receives a better care of and protection in nursery. The average garden soil is not an ideal medium for raising seedling, especially from the points of view the soil till at an early stage of development. Most vegetable crops requires special attention that is not possible in main field. This all about the nursery. Nursery management, the first stage of in successful production of horticultural crops is to the raise healthy, vigorous seedlings. Young plants were propagated from seeds or vegetative required a lot of care, particularly during the early stage of growth. The they have to be protected from adverse temperature, heavy rains, high wind velocity, and variety of pests and diseases. If small seeded vegetables are sown directly in field, the germination is often poor and the young plant grow very slowly and required for the long time for maturity. Also, the season may be short for full development in the field. To overcome this problem, many vegetables crop are grown in nursery before being transplanted in field. The vegetable or fruit nursery is a place where plants to be cared for during the early stage of growth, providing optimum condition for the germination and subsequent growth until they are strong and enough to be planted out in their uh, permanent place. Advantage of nursery management. It is possible to provide favorable growth condition, that is germination as well growth, better care of younger plants, as it is easy to look after nursery in small area against pathogenic infection, pest and weeds. Crop grown by nursery raised in quite early and fetching higher price in the market. So economically more profitable. There is a saving of lands and labor as main field will occupy by the crop rotation can be followed. More time is available for preparation of main field because nursery is grown separately. As vegetable seeds are expensive, particularly hybrid, so we can economize the seeds by sowing in the nursery. This is the advantages of nursery management. Thank you.